Alright, so here we got this little Rheem Classic heat pump running. I got a video of this unit last March. So I thought I'd get another video of it. It's like in the mid 60s right now, and it's sunny, so it's really nice. The reason why I'm not uploading in a while is because this barely, it's just a weird March. It's gone up to like 80 degrees, which tomorrow's gonna be 84. And then it's been going back in the 40s constantly. So like, the weather has changed a lot. So like, there's not a lot of stuff to film. But yeah, I just wanted to get a quick video of this unit since it just fired up. I think that's a V-sip in there or a scroll. This unit was manufactured in July of 2002. Air conditioner, 2-ton, 25,000 BTU. Yeah. And that is nice and cold and sweaty. There used to be another unit just like this right over there, but it got removed last summer. Yeah, it's a really nice unit. And I will be going down to Florida a week from today. Today is Saturday, March 21st. So I'll be leaving on March 28th, next weekend. And tomorrow I will get a video of the train units running. It'll be so hot. But yeah, it's a really nice unit. Here's the Midwest disconnect box. Yeah, it's really quiet. I may have a scroll actually. Well, V-sip on too. So, I'm getting excited for Florida. I'm gonna be making a lot of good videos. And I just heard the XL49 downstairs unit got a brand new fan motor last week. So, yes. The GE fan motor, it actually had a GE. I thought it was a Gentech. But no, they both had GE, but it had to get replaced. The fan motor got replaced. The 19i is fine, but the 14i had to get the fan motor replaced. So I will get a startup and shutdown of that while I'm down there. So yeah. Oh, that is ice cold now. Man. Alright. I guess that's gonna be about it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.